There we go. Is he okay?
Yeah.
Sorry, girls. So, oh, they're so cold they can't. I'll try to see if I can pick them up. So I'm leaving a little slat
Yeah.
for them. And we'll start to see them sitting right here along the edge and fanning. And what they'll be doing is fanning the smell of the queen out. They're a little feisty.
I hear them.
Yeah. I have a couple that are poking me.
Oh yeah.
But I mean, not stinging me, just kind of, they kind of give you a warning shot at first before they really come after you.
Yeah.
Anyway.